Hi Aquarius, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. You can also visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com, and this is your monthly forecast for February 2015. Aquarians, we begin this month with a fantastic aspect. We have Venus that is conjuncting Neptune in Pisces, and this speaks about new and fresh beginnings. It speaks about creative connections at various levels. It speaks about heightened sensitivity and awareness of beauty, spirituality. It also speaks about being in a space or a phase where you're easily influenced, are seducible or seductible, and you could be giving in to the power of imagination. So for all the authors, writers, creative people, musicians, it's a brilliant time for you to be doing a creative project for collaborations or even going solo. This is also a time where gentleness is the best way to be harnessing this energy, especially when you're dealing with others. And you could also be in a very magical space as far as your romance is concerned. Now, I've spoken about this in great detail, specifically about the Mars and Venus Grand Celestial Dance, and I've spoken about it in the Love 2015 video. You could check that out separately. And this transit for you is happening in a part of your chart that has to do with earned income. It has to do with your self-worth, and you are this month you will be wanting to be feeling more secure, and whether it is through spending more money, having more physical materialistic things that are there, or physical objects that make you feel good. People you are most attracted to during this time could be the ones that make you feel really secure in life, and you could be or who could also be increasing your self-esteem, and you share the same values with these people. You are also going to be preferring stable people over erratic people, and also a time where you're going to be desiring a lot of comfort in your life, Aquarians. You could be meeting somebody through spending money, say like maybe at a whether it's a joint venture, or it's a store, or it's a bank somewhere, or you could also be who works for money. It could be somebody who's maybe a chartered accountant, or maybe a financer, or maybe your CFO at the company. You could find that there's a great affinity that you share, and this is also a phase where you will be very good with money during this transit, or you could be spending money very easily at the same time, Aquarians, especially on something which is really beautiful. You may have an easier time getting your hands on money. So go easy on your purse, Aquarius. Seems like quite an exciting transit for you. Now we have a full moon as well, which is there in the first week for you, and this is a time where now the full moon energy, while the new moon energy tends to be very introspective, the full moon energy is very public. So any self-proclamations that get made during this time could come across as quite unrefined and infantile. So keep that in mind while you're doing so. However, for those of you who need to be getting things out of your system and have not had the courage or the strength to do so for the longest of time, full moon is going to be giving you that energy to bring forth and say things or clarify things that you have not been wanting to. And you could be feeling a little more emotional than usual during this phase. Now this full moon energy is highlighting a part of your chart that has to do with your relationships. Not just your romantic relationships, but also your business partnerships. And this is a time to be striking a balance with the other. So if things have gone a little sour as far as your business relationships or partnerships are concerned, it's a great time to be sort of soothing things over and talking things over, and generally putting things or rather closing the loose ends in a very nice, gracious way. And this house really also represents a one-to-one relationship. If it has to do with your marriage partner, then this is a time where you are being called upon to be more gentle in your conversation or in your speech. Try, even if you articulate, try not to be very sharp. And it's a trying to be striking a balance between your needs and the needs of your partner. It's a time to compromise, to negotiate, And partnership tests are also possible around this time, Aquarians. So it's really a time to be connecting with that someone special in your life. I've spoken about it at length in my Love 2015 videos. You could check that later. I've also spoken in detail about the Mars and Venus celestial dance that is happening. So this is the month where all of it is beginning for you. It's a great month, it's a great opportunity, and this trend is there for you the entire year, and it starts for you in February. Have a lovely February. It's been a pleasure speaking with you. I'll see you soon, and thank you so much for watching.